twofold issue for the two presidential candidates, George Bush and John Kerry. Now, there are laws in place that protect the rights of handicapped, black people, minorities, women, gays, everybody. I had a woman judge discriminate against me for no better reason than I'm a man. Then she went out of her way to cruelly and unusually punish me. And I didn't think it was right. So I wrote Jeb Bush, the governor of the state of Florida, and I copied in Judge Tanner, and I copied in Harry Schorstein, the state attorney. And I got 3 letters back. And the one that I got from Judge Tanner, it was handwritten and candy-coated. But the problem I had with it is that she lied to me. And, you know, that insults me because she thinks I'm so stupid that I don't know what happened in my own life. Now, for me to call Judge Tanner a liar and say that she discriminated against me, that's very serious allegations. But you can take Judge Tanner's letter, the official court transcripts and public record, and you can cross-reference them, and you'll see 2 things. 1, Judge Tanner is a liar, and 2, there was a clear and distinct pattern of discrimination. And see, this is where it gets even better. In order for me to get the official court transcripts, I had to pay the city, Mary Lou Martinson and Helen Osteen in Judge Donald R. Moran's office, I had to pay them $45 in money orders. And I did that, and they came back to me and they said, it'll be 3 or 4 weeks before we can get these for you. And I had questioned the length of time, so I sent them a letter just to verify that I had requested this information. Well, they come back to me and they say, you know what? They don't exist. The official court transcripts, they don't exist. And see, I'd kind of given up at that point, but there's a friend of mine who told me that I could get that information. She told me to go across to this company that had the contract with the city for dictation or for transcription. And I went there and they had them for me in 3 days. And after you read these and you put all these pieces together, you can see exactly why the city didn't want me to have that information. And so I took this information and I wrote the Judicial Qualifications Commission, the Florida Bar, the American Bar, and all of my politicians. And I wrote them multiple times. And I didn't just send them 37-cent stamps. I sent them FedEx, so they'd have to sign for it. This is my question to the 2 candidates. Now, you're throwing Martha Stewart in jail for lying to the government. And I like Martha Stewart. Who, when a judge or a politician breaks the law, lies to cover it up, and then other people in that immediate administration help them do it, who holds them accountable? Life is tough enough as it is. I don't need a judge picking on me just because she can. With great power comes great responsibility. What Judge Tanner did to me changed my life forever. I was an average American living the American dream. All I want are the same rights that everybody else has. And I tell you what, if I can't prove these allegations 100% from several different facets, then you can lock me up and throw away the key. But if I can and when I do, then I want you to come down here and fix it and do it timely. Because you both talk about responsive and responsible government. Here is your challenge. Fix it. And in closing, I want to address the City of Jacksonville's attorney. You were absolutely right when you told me that I would never get an attorney in Jacksonville to take this case because it would be biting the hand that feeds him. But where you were wrong is that this case would never see the inside of a courtroom. And when we spoke, you had the last word. It was, fuck me, right? Well, my name is John Knight. Fuck me, fuck you.